This is a submission for Jubilant-Market, an insurance policy implemented in a smart contract. First, we're going to connect our MetaMask account. This is a fake account. Connect. Here we're just on a test net, and it picked up my user address, so that's integrated. So the front end software, or the React software, will use that address in a web request through Web3 to communicate to the blockchain or Solidity. I had to overcome 3 challenges on implementing an insurance policy on a smart contract. The first challenge was the lifetime of an insurance policy, handling the conditional such as starting and ending a policy. If the user missed 90 days of payment, there would be coverage lapse, and they would be kind of denied access to submit more claims. The second challenge was user submission of insurance claims and the verification of that claim. I wanted to build an owner from OpenZeppelin to create a user type, ownable user type verifier, where this verifier got access to a private key. They would be the only ones able to manipulate the struct on a claim submission on Solidity. What this means is that the smart contract generates a unique user that can only manipulate a single piece of data on the claim data itself, or the claim submission. That would be approval or deny. Here's an example of how this would work in the background. User submitting claims and the verifier approving or denying claims. Again, this can be a manual process or an automatic process with code on the smart contract. The third challenge was maintaining solvency of the insurance flow. The insurance flow is a pool of money everyone contributes to and withdraws from to cover the cost of claims. So how do you keep this afloat? My plan here, financially speaking, I would love feedback on this, is taking 75% of the entire float, depositing it on Ava to get 1-for-1 collateral, take loans out to cover any submitted claims. 25% of the float would also be distributed across Cardano, Polygon, Yearn, and Compound to get ahead of the loan's APR. Now, I wanted to talk about delegates. Delegates are a big part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and I want them to contribute to a project that is beyond just earning more and competing for higher APYs. The APY on our insurance float and our smart contract will be a lot lower because we are taking on liability, but we're also building revenue in a form of a service on the smart contract. Up here we have medical fund, insurance coverage, delegates contributions, and verifier login. So a medical fund is essentially, somebody wants to put extra money away to save for a rainy day. Here I can deposit, let's say, $200. Deposit. We have to refresh the page. And here went up on the graph. I could also take out all my money if I really wanted to, of 800. The next thing I would talk about is insurance coverage. Here I implemented a timeline to keep track of when the contract starts and ends. Here you would initialize the smart contract by paying a down deposit of $200. It's just a demo pop-up. And how you would submit a claim is that you would choose a file, taking a picture of your medical bill or the accident of, the billing behind this car accident, for example, and it would be pending as a claim status. Now, as a verifier, we'll log in. It will check if we have the private key on record on the smart contract through the Solidity external view functions, and this user would have the ability to approve or deny claims.